The Chanel Denim Crème Main, or the hands cream, is out, and I have finally got my hands on it. Now, this is a pretty standard product from Chanel. However, the difference is that right now it is coming with this cute little cover. So usually you would just purchase the hand cream and it would come without any cover in a box like this. But right now with the Denim Collection, it is coming with this cute little egg-shaped cover. So I wanted to give a close-up look in case anybody is trying to buy the hand cream just for this thing. So first of all, let's talk about the material. It is really soft, like it's a soft denim, and I have not personally owned any Chanel denim itself, like from their ready-to-wear line, but it is really soft. It's not like a hard, like crunchy denim or like a Levi's denim. Now it has this really cute pink type of enamel on here that says La Crème Main and Chanel, and then it has, of course, the double C's on each side of the pull tab, and then the zipper, like the hardware on the zipper, is actually pink too. Now let's go ahead and open it. It opens really smoothly. Adorable. It's like a little crunchy maybe, but I'm sure that will kind of loosen up. Now it's not like super constructed. Like you'll see, like it's pretty easy to get this thing out, right? So I imagine you'll kind of go like that. Maybe you'll even twist it this way, and it'll come out really easily. Now this is the hand cream itself. So I mean, nothing like different than the typical hands cream. It opens up like this, and then you squeeze here, and like the product comes out of here. Now, I'm actually gonna gift this to my mom, so I'm not gonna squeeze it for her because I want it to look new. But whenever I go by the Chanel counter, I always squeeze these because it smells really nice. It smells like the Chanel fragrance, or like their skincare, and I really like them. So, that's pretty much it. Let's take a closer look. So on the inside, it feels more like, almost like a, not like a neoprene, but that kind of material, like kind of like a glossy type of finish. Again, it is pretty squishy, so it's, you know, it's not really something that I would, you know, throw in your bag without anything in it. It probably could get collapsed, and it's definitely gonna like skate side to side. Now, some folks have been putting some other things in here, so I'm gonna test this out and show you what's gonna fit. Okay, so I just have like a basic Chanel lipstick. This is actually Cecile, which they discontinued. Chanel, please bring this back. That's definitely gonna fit in there. And then there's extra space, maybe even like a little mini Tic Tac holder. Like you basically can fit your essentials on here. And then if you wanna attach this, like even with a key ring and put it on your keys, like that could be really cute. I don't know how like practical that's gonna be, or like, I don't know if you want La Crème Main on your keys, but I mean, even if you want to put like your hand cream in there and then attach this to like the outside of your bag if you're traveling, or attach it to your keys or whatnot, that could be a cool thing to do too. Let's go ahead and slide it back in there just for safekeeping and to see how easy that is. And that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think this is worth it? It is a little bit of a markup. I think they're usually $65 and this was like 82 or something like that, 85. This one's 85, it's usually 62. That's what it is. Do you think that's worth the markup? Like you definitely are paying for this component. So I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.